yɛne no ebedi nkɔmɔ na afi wɔde nkyerɛmu kakra deɛ ohu yɛ baabi ɔkɔda yɛ ho ne tu ne fo ɛnam sɛ yɛnim sɛ wɔdi football akyiakyɛ yie paa nanso saa da yɛsu da bɛn kora ɛna ɔso yɛ pilo bɛn so ɛna ɔda yɛ ohu sɛ yɛde nod ne mana obetimi really the GFA ama ɛyɛ corrupt practices a ɛkɔ so nyina no ɛtimi ayɛ hwebua da bi ɛne nyina yɛ nkɔmɔ baako mienu bi a enwumre yagye bre yatena siasi nkonya yi yɛde ho nsɛm nyina no ɛde ɛbrewa ɛnyɛ asɛm akuma but ɛnkyɛ kora no yɛbɛkɔ kumase na fi Asante Mantamagudi mu nsɛm keka no yɛnua nanajiman na ɔro nso ɛde kakra fi hɔ mo ɛde aba ɛnyɛ asɛm akuma enti yɛbɛtwa ho aba but production team no obia yɛ present Immortal Kwame Ejako Champon writer menyo gyamachi na fe Philip Otuo Gifty Antide na fe Bernard Paddy Botwi omnyina ekam so producers na oyede show ni nyina no basanso na mapamfo atena se si agya no ha ana fe ye miankasa menua Master Bansi e ha Michael Okan enso atena se abuja fo bidi my show oni mentena kopem se 8:30 be boy ye be soro dwumadi ni so a enya asonkuma exclusives ba ye kokumase aba Very well, yeah, Kokumase na Nana Ajiman live or in Shira FM na fi enne di nkomo. Nana, good evening.
Good evening, Minia.
Na Minia bibia bokode.
Na mi adumo na nso e.
Ahode e wa pa, ye nyina ye ho ye pa.
Meto nka na che.
Charlie, pressure o krom hanom. Nze de nkofo ejiji ye gold sika ko share baby. Amani pa ma ye dwane akote. Enema nye easy sa. Ze upia.
Amanfo se sika nyina ko di Dubai.
Ebetima ye no kro unza. And also by the Zonam na one tita, one na Crofobia kidnap with washer come to cook dada. And any son, no baby to me at Teboko. Yes, I dare forbid to my your time. Boy, come on, and so for you now.
Mate Minia and me, my chairman, and I'm a motive when I quap and Famra, and Samantha Magudi Musam Keka, and maybe a debate for which Asempa 94.7 FM. Minia. And there's a mobile Santamante Muhadia, I seven of the ounce and our chimonon. After say, Asante Kotoko, Cotton Sport Garua V, aftermath of the game, and some would do at the Dia A to Jano, and one at City 80, Hini, Ewa Santamante Muhana, and most answer by Happy Mana, the Tennessee, Asante Kotoko, would him say, and now Chiamuno, Yakika, Blazer, and Penny for technical Momoa Sante Kotoko, Penny for them. One more say, Womit me aya addition to what Sante Kotoko, no. One buswa any place no be 18 komanaja and me some baya na the best and review and then say Asante Kotoko akwa sign as good player fence Abbas Mohammed na Abbas Mohammed issue na my main fan to just say eja ye the mu ano the second say player na there and komodie the BBS ni akoso ama agreement BBS ni atem the sansa brand no one as good team no omo contract team baby ama samna no ka say the player no a free transfer player as the say Kotoko betimi a register na the say damna no ka say no enya de say Abbas Mohammed anase Habib brother Habib Mohammed odene nsa e de secret so etibibia awma agree bibia in principle say nyame adoma enche we be free na kosi bia nyame adoma adwada no na Habib Mohammed officially wababa ya Asante Kotoko player say and nam say as a branch no fan nsa enche contract say na bibia me official ntini wuro mo Kotoko aso ya Yomba can't deny who our branch and agent as well. Yeah, you also can say on 89. Now, my men some to just say, on the Mesha, the Kotoko technical team no one more effort can so much me I dishes. Now, anyway, the Mensa can say, Miniam, Asante Kotoko team no original Como say, and Cabe 5 days, Biaka, Domanim so much me at the SR dishes, and the Odino, at the Aquacoma camp from Penny for no. See, I'm not at the Mensa can say. Players ma kuma komi ensa na Kotoko be so mo register no dan come bia no bia e betime two players mi lupe na e betimi Asante Kotoko team no empanyi fo betimi a register na no adam be kan e wo Asante Mantem agudi mu sem keka so se empanyi fo e hwe ni mu se eni Burkina ni abanti a wo mo de na banditi e di Mohammed Khan one no that be am pay for me a register na some no ka say die omo ne contract won say nya de say etime wie pay san say abranche no wabaga na ha amom ne na kasa ama player na sa dan ni e de ache ni kurum Burkina na de me se ne say ene entitia na ehwehwemu amaye e wa Asante korokwaso ne say nyame ya admo chena abranche ne tiba be duru Ghana ha no ba officially 3-year deal at the hot man say one to be sign contract na dia makotoko na o say via na pimpenfo abe say o between the day aka Africa squad list no eno achi na otwi yam bekan say wo mo so akora keto friend say Douglas Usu ansa wo so akwa one player bia say mpenfo ade ni day aka Africa squad list no wa e ma nye nwanwa sansa branch no ko sika kono ene ne technical team fi say the body ma wo po e wo Asante korokwaso no so mo de ka Africa squad no obetimi aboa amamo so ene group phase mo wuro mu no mpuntu o mo pe no wo mo so ensa etimi akedi so far we a place we know am say kan say nyame ya madan ko mabia no empanyifo betimi a register o mo de aka kotoko Africa squad no na enka ne no bia nu tenkeja e place ma ko akomi ensa ena na kotoko empanyifo he ni mu na ko mo pass good place bi ti say Shafi Mumuni Richard Doji ena branch fence James Akamenko na ene bi wuro mo as good as so ene empanyifo de to manim say wonum de nanu ada beto ja say Uncle George Amako a ono chief executive officer de makotoko wo be ka say players no omo price abeto reduce about bontene ade enti wo boycott players no sign ni ade as good company for the omo so the problem say bi kura china memini Asante ko company for contact wo mo say players no still omo yi omo a omo de omo timi ni penny for na negotiations no and so etimi akosire mo scam sabna me no ka say no obi ti say Shafi Mumuni and happy Richard Doji any James Akamenko ya kotoko ni di omochi no mpanyifo mo as go decide ato manim say players ni nyina no atanso enya offer e di fi amano ne a wo mo steady sa offer ne bom say bia offer no eno na ye offer bi betimi adili uni say Europe no nyame ya adoma omo bi be transfer ni enche e betimi abawiye ne bom say bia akonya da ho say bia mante ni mumienu bi ana e bu ba ko bi kotoko hia no na say also loan e na bobo de makotoko say bia omo South Africa no eno ma nyina betimi akoyedi amomo a obetimi agya sa player akona mana ba amon so be tia kan e de ama akro bia kuma sa Asante koroko na say we eye nsema as good mpanyifo enso e de etu medim na ne kasa ne yemu na ma san fantu ja say nyame ya adoma Monday e na Asante koroko team no wo mo e be start campaign na campaign no be start no nyame ya adoma mu wie o mo start campaign Monday a na ne Thursday say na otwe me dia to ja na Thursday e na team no e betu dia free Ghana na omoni ati Sudan how to na kobo e de tie Al Hilal sam na me no ka se mpanyifo e di nkomo enchese omo yi na visit a odo omo je e di ama place na process ni na omo guso wonim se opeso free Ghana e de wani che Sudan na visa process ni betima take you be 3 to 4 days acha e be 5 days into no process no Asante koroko mpanyifo guso a wo mo process ni ade se nyame ya adoma in the next day 4-5 days omo 70 aka place services na nyame ya adoma Thursday omoso etimi etu that omani e de ache Sudan akobo de tia Al Hilal boboku na miwuram e wa Asante koroko supporters ni so amenia edimre yi miwuram ho na mibisa mpanyifo say group face ya yewurami no omre supporters be ko anamo fa bi nko na in fact kotoko mpanyifo mo da supporters na no ne bi ensimo mo kanyina ne say wonum eni dwumako bi egusu a edi nkomo say ombetimi sponsor nyame ya adom na se nkomodi omno mudi no bibi etimi tem eto di dia na tese nyame ya adom akon bia so no Asante koroko mpanyifo no eye nhyehyɛ so ombetimi supporters enso edi team lechi na samre ya okobobo Sudan ana uko Sudan a unia be 4-5 days and sana dia process service idea minim time okro metimi ne sa sponsor na wie na wo motimi process service and sa supporters na ko etimi dia nkragutu amemo ma ntimi mi omunyai because you say nyame ya adoma Monday na omotimi anase konya da ho bi omotimi start process na start now a wo mo sponsor ne nyawie die wo ebia na weekend omotimi no mawie die but mi nyina ne behwe bia se de mpanyifo ka no omotimi aye the supporters na kode a ni nyina no ebegina wo mo so na abranche fence Abbas Mohammed woni Douglas Usu ansa Abbas Mohammed tried to ka Africa squad list na ho Douglas Usu ansa na matese ono so mpanyifo ebetwin na ka ona emrante mi onuminia enumle dia mensa kan se Abbas Mohammed ne Douglas Usu ansa no omo ye nya office bi e wo Swedish clubs bi nyame ya adoma no so enche e ba be tokotoko mpanyifo nim na ko mo so akon me fa so me sa office no enso betimi afa so enteja and we some of us and some and ten one at the owner as good as well no and penny focus were almost a year no matter who do be at Yami Adman normalization special competition on the banner as good to so a bit you that you almost so at me about my intimate what we need extra was here. I had just said team no one more training a hot war Boasia na enya sem kitwa na and the first training nenya is almost at the 8:20 Opori Stadium ho and okoye training nyame ya adoma je metene se efi na nkosi nyame adoma Sunday mo ja boys ne so bia nkopi na onkomo abusuafo na ja mo timi rest kakra nyame ya adoma Monday at 3 p.m. as go team no ebesan so training na mame fan to just Eric Donko any branch defense Steven Banahene wo mo nyina players ana mo nya knocks e as good as so here and then omutimi training as the team penny for him so mo so betimi recover na fi mo so no any boys in na atimi aye food training na fi nyame ya adoma normalization committee wo mo special competition mo dey banon na fi as good so atimi enya compact ma wo metimi dey wura sa tournament timi ni asem dey kan tu na mo ba santeman temu ha na cheche the news kakra wa ha no and yede eno so dia mama live na Asempa 94.7 Feminia.
Fantastic one. Now ujina hin say Okumase.
This year the me wo around adwumamu
na the oben Vanos ye pub hono.
Bibisa stadium side one.
Te dia be fa kakra. Say ne 3-1 bi kra wetimi dia koda.
Ken you have a situation na nefie sa so ne nyina ya nyame ase wa na otwe akwa apra beto yentinaja unya nsoro ma bi tina ho a.
Enso mane ye de hin no.
Nsoro ma bro fudi de say.
David dia wo kan ye de hin no.
Nsoro ma.
Eno za no kore say mienu ana miensa.
Nigeria ba ku bi na ja unya nkwan die bia na de odi egu ho.
Nyame en shawo mempene nana ajiman me da sepa.
All right, me that name of me say enumere bia Asempa from Sports Night show no. Oh, big fan pa ko power sentiment me friend say Big Bernard Amoni and di hu no. We know to make control say time bia be Kumasi bia no air condition car specialist. What to make control dey bia baby o ka benya problem air condition problem no. Fabra ba be se kama dia mon dey e do enumere am show no fe nia gro ba ko.
Mate mamena Bernard Amonia ni di hu hiano mamena na sepa na menchia munyina ho no ewo fantastic one adia amaye.
Okay.
Meru abusha for enche kwa na tese ko Kumase Asante mantem semkeka na nana ajiman fantastically wodi nyina ede ama meba me panel members or just a minute on the report or the free Kumase buy no na fe yetimi move for them say show ni packed there were a lot of exclusive interviews ye bro live on Asempa 94.7 and of course was Sports Night so once again me dey ede maestro see ya wa ha na fe Michael Okan e wa ha Master Bansi 5 years to come now is all your FIFA agent anisa says a bit more bimsa be mo say be come man fa shall say just a minute or two on the report of the free Kumasi by
me jet you for nya
do be ajo so
wonse and this year o ka football Ghana CCA ya na the obo ball age 3 points ya Asante Kotoko ntin komo wori ba ni ari nya me wonwa say all can some about how Kotoko for person omo top players be the beef from squad. Me have ideas now. I can say Kotoko need to perform extra better than they did against Cotton Sports than Karibangi. And yes, sir, it's difficult for them to advance from the group. Master Bedding.
But fans they said their last game against Cotton Sport now a fantastic display.
Because it might about with so many reasons. If you're Cotton Sports for the new opponent, I doubt say so. We have followed African football for the past 4 or 5 years, sir. Even 10 years. One of the last time a Cameroonian team back into a group of Champions League and a big Confederation. Cameroonian teams are not performing. Normalization is for almost 1 to 2 years. Almost cancel for somewhere last year August. And that in our team believe Asante Kotoko Cotton Sports in team farmer. But
a better than Kumasi Asante Kotoko war a redundant season. See a Moligo Krumha competition here for
come on, Gonzo Malik. And don't forget that Team Oyi Asante Kotoko film last year went to the quarterfinals of last year Confederation. So they weren't all that bad, sir. And if you look at the scenario, Sandy Kotoko first film last season. And now the way I'm going to be fair from squad. Any new coach, new management team. I think this kind of Kotoko is almost 70% better than last year. You know. Then you are playing against Cameroonian team. Almost more legal since August Adeba. Cameroon for teams of Monyado Africa. With all due respect, I think Kotoko will face a team of Mahmoud was routine.
But if you compare Ghana and Sudan, I mean, Al Hilal, the performance over the years and the caliber of players, I'm not sure say only a better side of than Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
I don't think Kotoko is also better than Al Hilal for the past 4 years. No. Because Al Hilal, I think last year were in CAF Champions League. Last 2 years, Confederation, I think quarterfinals or so. Since 2016, 17, 18, they've been in Africa. Oman Kokwanum Group. In the Kotoko for 10 years, group in Confederation, not even Champions League. And if say Yesha per record, Al Hilal is nowhere near Kotoko. But if you're looking at the last 3-4 years, I think Al Hilal are also ahead of Asante Kotoko. If she be the crowd. Now come to Zesco. The Kotoko is good, so we almost scored on the count, and especially strikers. But they are not scoring. So now Cotton Sport game here. I'm quite away 3 goals. Now the last 4 games Asante Kotoko away in Africa, almost struggling to even get a goal. And I think
and then you're problematic.
Yeah, very, very problematic. I think they see a bossy Akona Basu. A idea na as a metal, say a non for Asante Kotoko to go to Africa, no on your goal, but see Ketimia be raised at night after 2 games.
But when Timmy raise the point, they say, or buy a striker, no Shegus Mano, and as a club that will take you over, striker and Timmy find at the back of the net.
That is what last week I make a choice. Then in that case, must be fees a Sika Akona, that's what it become. If you were a coach and I will be a top player. I saw who maybe a player and who I didn't want to first utilize on what you know.
Ain't no pay backup. No?
Yeah.
Ain't no pay inclusions. No.
Especially as the shares this community, Al Hilal, they are able to keep clean sheet. You need an attacking force from here very fast. Attacking force from your amount 1 goal in out of 2 chances. And Master, so what share Al Hilal, Obohoma, they are the best team in Sudan. In terms of Africa, so Obohoma, the last 4-5 games, they've managed to score at least a goal. They scored against Club African and advancing. And Kotoko, only that 4 teams they free Champions League a drop to
the Confederation, yeah.
Out of 4 Kotoko where she 3. San Kotoko group no Bia from the Champions League and a drop on Dubai. And if you look at teams free more they co-group now, I'm really concerned about that game against Zesco Kumasi. What is Zesco feel Kumasi?
Master Bansi Abujafana Tenika. Mami moving on nafi. Mike also nya a take on that. Me person who say Sikia Kono a picture be said where inclusions are going forward in the group stages. Ne bedding Eddie Makoroko.
Sarah, because we say over qualifiers no. Okache say the midfield one important area and say or improve. Now, we are about 10 central midfielders. Aside from attacking midfielders, Jordan Mooney near Jim Club by, but we are a playmaker, ball for 10. And I say, we are creative when our ball and I saw possession of the ball, or a player about to hold the ball. Now we're bringing the other players into play. Into which we are scouting report, and I said the players are all doing it's about midfielders who can creative midfielders. And they say, according to this 6 game, and I said this group stage in the Confed Cup, you need more than players or what to say, and what you make any incursions in the Confed Cup.
Now, winning team so
yes,
yes, sir. Because the team let me progress to this particular stage of it. Sir. Now the inclusions one yet tactful and the inclusions no a bit me say the beauty or the cohesion of the team. Yes,
sir. Issue will be dealing with this issue in midweek. Somewhere we declare because say 3 players are opese umbe join the team. Now obesha seeking so one year 3 wins in a row. Now 3 wins in a row now one year no. The first 11 or time change. Or time change in the first 11. Obesha the first 11 obe change area player back. The game our ball the Kariobangi Sharks e wokuma so you one change pe or you Jordan Ephraim now the Conte Bayim. Usha the second game our ball Yaoundé with Cotton Sport Garage so you one change pe. One change pe no na the ball kuma sense one change or you abas from na or you say from na the abas be enti on your coach be or your changes over the team. I don't expect say so our top players be I think say one more time to gel with the team before or introduce them kakra about team na mechanics na it's not going to be any difficult thing for CK say or introducing these players into this team. On yet to say coach we have name na your ball Ghana Premier League or share 2-0 against the favorite side of the league. Ediana me can Italia is one
okay.
The late Heretado the last time with Interlice or share 2-0 against Ediana or Tema. The second game over Dansoman against Liberty or as much as 9 changes.
Okay.
On the team there are 2 players the goalkeeper and Wahaba Kwe in the CK on this coaches are on tire changes on the team sir.
No, but it can also differ because a year the club a championship is far more different from playing the local league.
It's far more different, but usha some players we are amana achieve a record in this Confed Cup. We sure Kotoko Champions League around say Confed Cup group stages. The last time they played was in 2008. Now Omuko from 2013 to 2018. Omuko away games Omutasha goes from BYC to El Uma. Omutasha goes. I guess Omutasha goes but the last time Omuko away at Yaoundé Omusha 3 goals, which is a record. In our players Abo Modia BBC I think say is going to give them the chance to prove themselves before say Omutima maintain expectation now introduce the new players Wato area team. I don't expect him to make so many changes in his team. He will keep the same team. Felix Bebo, Achampo Bebo, Sefa will play. The centre back of Ganiyu and Ajimabedu will play. Uban in midfield. Senanu will always be there. Konto will be there. The wings, you see Maxwell Bakun. You also see Emmanuel Jenfi. The 2 up front, you see Shafi Fatau. You also see Sonny. So I don't think there's going to be any too many changes in his team. Or we keep that team now because that team now and I think say you give them the chance to prove themselves in the group stage.
But when you just snap one,
yes.
James are coming, Richard, Jody, and there's a few moments. Obviously, put that quality entering into the Koroko setup. Blending going for it.
For now, Yankan be there as far as transfer is concerned. They are yet to say. One office average and if there is even a possibility say better team on loan, but for now I'm pay in Canabini Douglas Bina say better team, but for one player in particular any dojinu I think say the inclusion because is that kind of creative player and I say all round midfielder he can tackle he can win balls or let him passes and short passes in Kwan or to make long or to me
or to be split defending
yes or to make the agoda or to be changing the face of the game. Now the antics and I said the goal scoring so is up there. We say ex John Adekum for the cap of boy no you saw the beautiful goal. Yes, you saw the beautiful goal scored from a long range effort in the that's all round midfielder Obakotoko team na ebeboa
Mamra say Michael ya no Michael mesia ba biem na mame nkonya mi dipa ho see a Jan minim de wo ho afa siki ho de wo ho afa Koroko players no ewo group stages ya o mawura mi kakra bi wo ho na fe ye nto aso
me siki Obakotoko na mekasa wa say siki o Black Stars coach and the Kotoko ni preparation ground say man.
But we need track record be akroma.
Yes, but Kotoko be ni pa. He na me kan no say Kotoko team no ni o mu free musa. Na Kotoko o pedigree o Africa no. Na baby wa ba bidu. Uri fi menyi. Group na Kotoko demu no. Team bia no a oben Kotoko baby a.
In terms of them.
Oh, omu bibia Africa mu. It is omu to me about say Ali call off. Na Ali so sorry. No bobo wo group a. Masa me uniform o. Uniform ni idi Kotoko na wo pie no. Kotoko no mo no mbo brand Ali mo na Zamalek mu. Idi Zesco ne Kana ne ayela omu. Ba mi bi dia mi se Kotoko ebe qualify official group room. Ako the next stage inti mo bia nyi Kotoko fo ne mfuru na sike ekuta lack a odi aba Kotoko ni lack ni na de na ba odi ye na djuma nti sike so oya de o se mi tu mi fo se na no kasa nkwa na be mo ni Kotoko fo nya problem already so apart from that only nya problem bia na me deswe who say and even na me dream ni kotoko Africa no won and FA presidency and you me dream
Odwin ko si sen
mudwin no anya ho say Matisse say FIFA standing grove no jemi bi say FA presidency ni kura na ye kan wasem no omo nya ni this year
the whole of 2019
voice no wa ya me kache o say normalization for no me no mo twabro 1 year ana nkofo bi si omunko se no mo twabro 1 year ana nkofo bi si omunko no mo so omunko e has to tell you say omun ye election because here election every president bar there's no more normalization so some profit me twa 1 year wa kunye so dia na extension ya how many months, how many weeks?
Also will go beyond March 2019. We are yet to confirm the exact
okay
of the amount. But see, mami exercise ke na afi we are Masamba back on the line. We have Asempa FM 94.7 Sports Night the Friday edition. And bro, kwa homa so briefly na ni senior also Bempa to me atwen come. Senior, good evening. Hello senior. Mbato wapo mte say ebusa fon wote say
nyame ada o media ho ye minister musmo ho ye
fantastic ye ho ye pa sina anwumre ye di koroko ho nkomo na baby abobo ba ne say wawuram wo the group stages of the championship na sika akono sina ko hia be 3 or 4 inclusions and sana going forward no ekwama timi abieye no matimi realize o objective o de echo but yet emu aye den say nsa be kan those players no ye bi say ne koroko team a wonne current sport boy na amanfo chete team no atimi reshape kama without the players are all penal if say going forward e be din e de amakumazi azanti koroko na boy
na mencha chief me diri se team dey say the city bia no unya bi ka ho a say the NC team no e do ba bia nya se dia player na wo ko fana ba no wo ko fa no say omra na o me start matches now and na so me body instantly but do wa o me ye competition o me create competition with team no na face o me aki as backup say bia labor competition car with my them suspensions injuries maybe bia business a player the man more particular match or particular matches in Jabasa will be immediate replacement e bia coach no or chance we who say bia players need do homo ahod no e bia aba coach no at the group stage now competition here teams no SOT no players need bia ahod ni intimi no ba bia already it is obusa bi kan ho na me say ne kwan so ano no it is to identify players dinner of the management boa and saka me did say ne kwan so ano
very well but going forward we had the group akoroko pma say who just oppose the strength of the other clubs no to koroko initially no what can I saying
never now say kotoko no because of the abnormal situation in Ghana woman who can say who the team now no who 2 or 4 matches or man ball against Kenya and Cameroon for over the 2 completely levels no man ball women away no ebi abeyan function if you say team dey oba hoko anymore na NMS na face no you share different no dynamic different so we got to team any Kenya for boy here maybe people don't know any arrangement including their own supporters say Cameroon for year the last best 6 years so Marco Champions League the group stage even finals so Marco even play no as the same na we normally got to ball na come for being stage but that's where they went and won away but non chair say match over ball teams are can so perform easy the other countries say no mo nyina no omo ye actively playing Cameroon for na dey back on this how omo say just like Ghana no and Kotoko no omo enso normalization period you know if it be July or last year omo more border and it is omo Kotoko the difference no any go and e ba sa who obenya bia match back on na me no bia bo wetimenya e bia some few domestic matches bia no number on a good day you win and I'm sure that's how Kotoko there no to a very large extent the Koye. But local group stage, you know, they say Sudan for a league in Zambia almost every weekend. The whole Zambian league or super sports. Yeah, we want to say a performance any from clubs no do no high importation of players around the African continent, especially from Zimbabwe, Kenya, and even Ghanaians are there playing in the Zambian league. And a Barcelona could share team, you know, Zambia. Then again, very tough customers in international competition. It's a simple. But my main concern with specific reference to Nkana and historically in Kotoko, Oshabako Mudia Kawaka Kotoko Niase. Nkana, I remember 1993, a black Kotoko African Cup finals, Zamalek, a share or no finals. Quarter finals, only a non boy. First leg away, Kotoko Lusu 1-0. Second leg, Kotoko winning easily by 3-0. Nkana Mukwe Sosi, Makako Patron, Alesniako, and then Sejosi. And then Zama friend is saying Sudan for he laugh 1990 no more boy and no away first leg 2-2 as a quartine no Jordan than Safu Genfi and answer the quartine Safu Genfi back and then in the home match it was as a quartine that one I remember and then competition so 2-1 but I also admit say that match he laugh no match in 1990 around September. It was one of the toughest matches I'm in Kotoko African club history. So be a back match goes in number first half. You quite away no, you share no more tea, and you share no more thing. But no, you share one and confetti can. Those days, almost play in the Maragara EG. Second, as a question, share first goal, or share and conformity. And I Robert share second goal. Or share, there was one player near them, Walid Usman, he was the captain. Or not say, but to be honest with you, I'm talking purely in my capacity as a football analyst. Go no referee Linus Mba who in Nigeria and the salary. Maybe the salary of go this year any team via or no one go more. I have academic wager because obviously it was a clear goal. But for some reason the referee decided to win it. And again, Kotoko won the 2004 during the competition start. And no one said away no. First leg we need 3, non so much 2. No, in 2001 cannot have an elimination stage now. Kotoko qualify. And yet teams that I can send time, the normal circumstance no. Kotoko struggle so much, especially considering home matches in the group stages no. Even Kania semi-finals anymore. So with me, we need home matches and send you now 99% you qualify for the final. Okaya, bra as good. Champions League finals 1987. For me, we need 3 matches at home, and we could draw 1. And we club Africa. Now we qualify. In fact, since Champions League 30 years from 1987, statistically there has been about more than 12 times. Even when there was no semi-finals, in other words, one team can qualify from group. Team BX-Men and Americans, they are qualified from the group. At the end of Kotoko, it might take advantage of ASA. The presence of the two Zambian teams and the technical difference between the two of them. And they just go and Nkana. Difference in terms of performance. Now, I'm so many now free on my back. So now, in fact, geographically, they are just 45 minutes apart. Just go ball matches on Dola. And Nkana, a ball matches on Kitwe. Meaning now the Copper Belt. So, Copper Belt, now I said the Copper region of Zambia. I don't know many actually. You know, I say, as good Nekotoko. We are very close in terms of proximity. The rivalry between them is very, very high. And Ghana, a tribal team, that's Antikotoko, a tribal team. Just to a company team. And it's only the competition is very keen among them. Advantage of Kotoko, and say, a possible say in Ghana, and just to bet my cancel out, home and away. In other words, they can play draw home and away. A basa by the system, no. Over draw home or draw put 2 home points. You can say, with me we need 2 home matches. Now we be no home and away no about draw. We will be able to put 2 points. Say Kotoko any be a Hilal, it me we need all their home matches. No more lose away matches run or me never qualify ahead of Zambia for. Then the scenario of 2004 half Nekotoko. The difference between half Nekotoko at any point, especially when they are international competitions, is very small. If you look here, Sabeno, half Nekotoko, a ball 1-1 and kind of ball 1-1. Then find a same group stage, then finals about penalty. So a group stage, no one with the same group. For more handy advantage, you know, Emma or opponents, group opponents, no. Because Oma do put Obia do put 2 home points. And no advantage Emma Kotoko, any for no. And in this case, I just want to rule out Ela because we just talking in respect of Kotoko. It is a Kotoko thing we need home matches, no me and son. again omutimi reduce amount of goals on the consider. Again say almost chances are greater because of the presence of the two Zambian teams are almost apart. And one advantage because so ebetimi no.
Fantastic, but finally, there is a mantra. Time, Korokoye say or co Africa no normalization. So man ko supporters ni be say Namse League no abana we yana say yentumin to aso mo anything. Can say club be akọ. Enti ene unam kroma dia na man for campaign so say yi Koroko kro free me beka so yemo league ni ntia. E dia na wo say Koroko coach ye, e dia na wo say management ye, e dia na wo say players ye, supporters ye. Na you safeguarded that mantra so. Yemmo league in your core group stages, no yentimi ampay for me. Just briefly.
This is also more majumwe. Say no Champions League no ne bono akwa edne because of the time last between first leg and second leg no. We travel region 1 year na sefeliwa. We be dem be because over first leg then come over first match against Sudan for the third the following week, which is 7 days later, more go home against first match I think is Zesco. Then you play against the Sudanese home. And it's a to Kwana so went back to base in a matter of 24 hours. Neko decided said the Cameroon who could go my Sunday we do say Tuesday there. Then it means what is 48 hours. The teams on bet my planning on more travels, you know. And we are there back. Very, very, very key. And then here Tuesday, just 1 week. Until Yamika one day, Okobo match, the Sudan for say, Obo home match, Obet my bomb match Friday. Until the following you know, be also a match. Be out but my who's a match about them said that the Thursday. Jamia Mwana Kobo my Sunday, the following Thursday, or match. That's when Timam prepare in terms of travel, sir. Jet lag and the fatigue of traveling, Kwano, a bit more a junior. Then again, almost so far expectation and to a man casasso. At that Kotokoni Cameroon from Bowie, between Kofo Kotoko, we've seen a better Kotoko than this one. Meaning, sir, at any year, Biano, teams no performance, I bet media anymore, different. For example, Team Kotoko Deco African Cup 82 could be second, no. And yet 83 team no young no. But because it's 3 for Neko J. House of Folk team 1977 and 79 African Cup will be second, you know. Make can say with all due respect, and yet you got a circle formal squad no a young Konyomo. Because what I'm not saying, you know, any players on the house could tap the land no idea. Many players get why. But at that time, relatively, they came up against much stronger opponents. Oshe Kano Yaon Deni, you know, Duala any of anything, half no more. These were tough teams. Remember at that time, no, African players of the year, no, it's 77, 78, 79, around that time. Most of players are not feature, no. It's a Guinea for no. Apa Kamara, Amara Toure, Petit Sore, and the Bengali Silam. These were tough crack players. Or you know, at any point in time, yeah, no, maybe audience with team no but position no is also stronger. At the team no, maybe opposition no so for. I think that they are also more. Now, so no, in football, some amount of luck also counts. And then again, the way our management so motivated players, no, basically not in terms of Sikan Kwane, a bit but how to also talk to them for them to know say. They say born our born. So when you play our retire or Kotoko the next 2-3 years, we have to aspire for higher heights. If you have a soccer ball which Europe, Saudi Arabia, America's idea, Champions League, in the Confederations Cup, gives you the opportunity. These are some of the things you need to hammer on. When I hear say the mobile method idea, I think it's quite laughable. But I can only wish them the best and things as far as the team can take them. Then again, let's also admit, the team not like a lot of international experience. Coach or do more international club competition that players never they must have international club competitions that at the time so I was samba look at a time and see what to prepare the team for the Kenyan game. It was very short. And then afterwards Cameroon for but now Champions League, group stage you have I think in a matter of 2 weeks over 3 matches. Home away and we also have to be a return second round upwards. It's not going to be very easy. We probably have to just hope and pray say maybe maybe I'm trying to be a fan or see the Yamidin Besidiara. Now my Prince Wadna. I think that's what they have to. If they come in and the opportunity comes for them to win, what we free group stage anymore, semi-finals, no, they're home and away. You can fancy your chances, and I'm sure they do what they are. The team will have to fight the way they have to fight to get there.
Senior, that was a part, but okay, I'm the Kevin Prince Botti Bushafuti, you must send him message. Mimi Sao say Ghana was a Dr. James Kosiapia and Freno. Omonte wa adventure or home, Nebushafunity. What didn't you say, young Freno? And I say, pay and semi free the Presidential Commission of Inquiry Mobile. Yaman Nahosa.
so will be our because you piano only coach Martin several times so see about in who know the country and say or pachewa or befreno. The point is that enipa unu who answer work pachewa baby will cry or pachewa no and no friend say the kwatima when we to now was one and now dia we if you come and do the pachewa again. Let's also not forget say baby a Prince Watson age drew 31 years and then with injury situations where I can't say or pressure when he flies on long distance flighter or pressure when could just and the performance and that's going to ball. I will not be surprised if they are Barcelona for no as part of the contract agreement. Ibia is not even supposed to play for his national team. I will not be surprised. Because they need him for kind of a very short time and for specific reasons. Ibia market says, look, start being about the European Championship every year, about Champions League every year, but you cannot go to Africa to go and play the Cup of Nations. These are one of the conditions that Ibia this sound. Ibia by some we want to link. But said the decision to say invite or not to invite him, you know. I think Sekwesi Appiah can clear say on one decision, and it's based basically on how Abante no Rabe Pacha so no one answer no. As long as Rabe Pacha, we could draft a man of effort so no the two things soon as was signed or the letter in the bar. I mean, regardless how it comes, it himself Abante signature and was here. I'm sure Kwesi will call him. But do the idea personally, me just say Kwesi is actually begging for an apology, and I think. Maybe based
on the recommendation from the Presidential Commission of Inquiry.
But also,
maybe free. I hear the Presidential Commission of Inquiry nearby because some recommendation, or the apology bar, maybe I'm going to consider.
But I think with your one interview be after Presidential Commission, no, it's not okay. It doesn't seem like it would be a one or Jitum Swayam will be the reason for which one or the instance of a be actual. It is a no and the be a son of I think Ghanaians must maybe do what we have and prepare maybe without him. I mean, maybe in Ghana, the day we need competition, actually winning. There is not because of the absence or the presence of Kevin Prince Boateng or any other particular player. We've seen players who are more important to the national team than others. I think the last 15 years or so, Asamoah has been the most influential, the most important person to the Black Stars, at least in terms of goal scoring and performance. Onimwa, the totally the but in few times when he was not around, the team was able to put itself together and play games, even though not in full tournament. So Kevin no me for you know be a bit more, but no I be so boakwa. And I say be a offense the cross head be a son. Not be a effective problem about it. But those ones I leave those decisions to the technical team and those who are to the national team. We are just a commentator and I can only express an opinion. I cannot just give directives or whatever it is.
Senior, Mamma Asempa, Mamma Asempa, Obrene, your incisive point I will raise on the show. Okay, senior Osu Bempa, now it is a young commander to check a numeration so the Royal City. I want to assassinate no I hope Caneno, any idea assassin whom I win assassin, not just say assassin wire Jane Pass, he said, assassin of Papa, as I said, you guess here, I will go near the Efompa. And also when you could do no to an amount. Would you do Honoma, Casoya Catchini, O Peso Bobra, assassin Edikai, and the Royal City, Momame, Omono Bedinkomo, and Chia Hunano, and who do ye pa? There be a mecatcher, so unya sassy, now over to say, Opeso si dabun say, Utuamena, Nanko for your balangas for ye, and your digging fee, and your painting fee, Ojon so cry, Juna fee, Obejo, Ninano, a Yasema, and one tepa. O pen one some so the common hinibio so, and Afini Kubun Sound, young chair, Coside, young Congram, not as a Huna Bibri, and they and Biaba, Macacho says as a tono, and Yesica, name your Tony Yansem, Toboase, now need the Royal City for, and in our so, Omonsa, who do ye pa na a near chin so, a service plot a hoodro, and a net ultra no diamawo, a light process, so come sound soon, I've been potable water, security no so ya pampe, just a unya was said that honoma, when will be any chemuka, and it is an so, say, Ebia will be one man on no pass as ya, a nina nim cacao be dinti, emfa ubi, and command say agent in Copasa Semau, when the Royal City, for an insta or so, not just say one more sasia and one dropper, and they what it is as so, and tis a Okuta Kanisika 80 million, and I say 8,000 Ghana Sidia, was asking that Ebia Odia and Kofui would be 70, Usika Craco Kama, would you Tia Kakrebi, Yaronka Tenina, Ebema, no, I shall say you put just in Kama, I was so utwea, now was asking at me Abeyodia, Yeniama, Munsusum Fine Pie, Munsusun Yesika, the cream of Tatana Dosso, Ediani Bia Baby, Momian Trasa, Muntua Fopa, the intimate Trasa, say, Nadache, Yetmia Brapa, I'm a new man creation, so the Royal City, own and managed by King City Real Estate, #1 destination for property buyers. Na menkunya sa keke mema numbers no 0508 199 622 0508 199 622 and after 0508 199 624 nantentem on set me aka wo na no madin sa so enkomo bia na opesa nantenaba officer ene titi amebacho ye ben Ashfom Junction the first floor Kumoji Plaza along Dowenya Road ententem korma yensa ebetumi aka wo na fe enkomo bia ho bia no ye ne mo enso edi apem so channel so said the road safety campaign pedestrian and driver tips no ayade aye nuanam Joy FM and obi mo tam apem Guinness Ghana Brewers ano and obi sa tips nyina edeba enti unam kwa ho a wo ye pedestrian sanso na wo ye driver ni a hye nso ye pa enuama bibiri horoma wo se yetumi ye na ye car kobedie kwanso nante no bibia etimi ekodwodopo a nene was it today's driving tip no make sure your vehicle is in working order before you embarking on any journey just o car no ngaso break no mitia so a we de enche papa ba meye ne kakran de akwaba na mekọ na mebedura da bi wurim de besi okwan so enti wonkwa ho hia tumikai ne siesie o car no kama man conditions no nya papa ansa na watu kwan no ni nyina no yade a Guinness Ghana Brewers Limited live every day everywhere and are supported by VIP Joanna Transport Services, Ever Mike Multipurpose Company Limited. We build for the nation Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic was the producers of Ajinkwa Garlic Plus. God is our healer. Womenina etechi and I jumedi nyina no. Yereba yesako back on the line. Na need the disco dancer in Ghana football. Awudu Isaka 95 okano. Ono the team twetwe wo mu player bia no atena ball no so. Say sad time no na nkumbeka say. Awudu good evening.
Good evening, champion.
Bibia bogode.
Nyame adom ene mpaibo ene Ghana for mpaibo me ho edin pa.
Ede nyame ase pa. Kane na wotwetwe na wotena boss na me show TV am say akwa wonya serious ana. Ye bobo begu asha na tete boss pa. Me ye sure say na edi anka wonya kwantanta so.
Na we say we ase bibia woni mre. O sha ansa na obehu se metena so na je say ya shebe 4 na 5.
Now the entertaining so can dey awem.
Na we dey kakra from now on for so any
fantastic no crepa and yen players ne lucky that entertainment no edu baby a na say omuni flair I say that Ghana ni player na yen shede hu we boys ni mu and me sure say mu coach wo no mo de eno kakra be bata ho na aboa ama yetime nya
nyame bebo ama ya nya sankromfo ni system no.
Okay, and you may yet to answer flower titia. Why wouldn't you Kevin Prince Boateng? Wouldn't me say, ye didn't call walk up na or buy and send baby na no sema catch a coach, Kosia Piana idea a near nine. Commission Tenasica and Kabeya Ome Pacho, Abranteno Mwanda. And they was signing a mega deal, the Ama Barcelona, fans of Ghana, Casen Kabeya, Kosia Pia, and Tun San Friend. Coach said, Abranteno Nuno, not of a Pachoa, or do you bet me after. What they we player ye bisa say so or patcho ayem frɛ no ana say suban boni bi or die dey maybe a twins afre no ye mu yanim so na ye concentrate o players say we are near Vanco Afcon chewa de kaka Ghana for you
me da what here for ina say Audi Saka na ka say mo bi amfa de America na enye ne wake up me so me come adwen say be ya na ye be bo ma Ghana football akona him Kevin Prince Boateng ne life ni na what na Europe enti most no kuta European mentality we obi a ade ne ye wana onko ka say two said ye sebio ebinumu e wa Ghana ha ye no bibi o ha say enka no kro ye diama ye but ono de sade ne ye wana o ka say ye one enti so far no say ye ka say omra me pa chawa ye ne ye hia no at least say o Barcelona, so the whole world, or more of supporters, fans, baby, and Sir Kevin, our national team, not a team no kwako matcha. Barcelona, no a casa, Emma, obi or supporter of Barcelona, be a suit to make us say, hey, Kevin, Bantimin Kokebi, and also to me, other team, no players, no fear and panic, be ball, mumu say, hey, media. And Kamidia me here says, so be a bonia, ombe power chow and sana, waka chain so ombra brabum. So who ankasa, who send pano ba brabum no bet my boa, who bet maka and seminia, meba, mpacho, mihia bra. Yamfa and also yanim kakrano. Minim say, and ya Kevin, also problem. Yes, we are quala, yenya any baby, I this year, yesule, sisi any situation also ye be magana enti say ka Kevin dia yenso yen kan Sule sisi say o fi o mintimi hu de but say ye invite no nso be kan wa e beboa
tina say Kevin ni Sule no e be yanke yen fom bone nche o mo pe issue say ba nyina ne mfa nche o nanke yen tu ensan from no mo mebo sa na o kan
any dia 100% and na me so me come adwin because obi aso kan adwin say ye nya Sule no also be kan wa eno so ye
but without these two players, no, how do you say? I feel say the core of the Blaster team presently, no, and you don't me a Afcon they are my own.
Oh, David, I need a minute to make. If you are seeing a minute, Shanipa, so Omuka who even say you can't play the say so income so on your team. Any day, you can't say you can't. So more Fred, or me Fred, Brabecano, justified. You obey you no. Ono no so come because Ghana omu ina so ye this year say nipa form wa ye de che nti ye mfa omu ina omu ana omu ka no still be wa system no ye mfa omu bone nche omu na fe ye papa ne ye bra kosi apia onu onye de ebeboa wo no mimi ntime nkyere na djuma ye mom onu ankasa omfa na ni nto form na de obi aya ma Ghana ti say de na meka Sule wa ye bia ma Ghana say ye buana ebeboa because oba national team bi betima man ebetima invite no ene so ebeboa no because onu so ye bi magana income so be ye bi magana Kevin abe ye bi magana nyame apaja no uhwe Kevin dey a obi andrimu say obetima nya bibi say enti media madwin na mekre mo obi attack me because no credit e ba kope maka media wi so uba no record dey minim Ghana for
mate odi an yam fan World Cup we fan African Cup na me ne wo kasa ya am say Dr. James Kosiapia we bie ni machine wo tie ne kama o ka mu pa tuni for just a minute o tie pa o yina sum tie
senior player wa unim how this aka ye dey bia bomb pa eta na chi se de o ye bia nkoso ma ontie obia so ntimi nyini free national team ye ina ya Ghana ayeta na chi ye mo wonye sure say obeye bibia right time said the amount for ka say owie a ye be yi no okobo Afcon no obia ntimi nyini no ye Ghana ha mo nso ye ta na chi den ne mo obia na ni say Afcon no betima make obeye bibi ama Ghana dina sa konanim ene na metmi e da ka kire no yame nhira no onye ne kese
wa osinity me da se pa no time I would Isaka on the show anyway
champion yame nhira mo pa
fantastic one Audu Isaka the disco dancer na attending kan ye betwa ho briefly but na ansan ye beko ye ba ye wrem Kevin issues in the ye wrem kakra na ye de blend afa the Presidential Commission of Inquiry sa commission me ye sure after omo report by no ya boatin jan penny park so omo report ye fan koye enko chichirin kate the pebia nim 8 months no omo waste Ghana for time and resources and I'm say wo hwema issues in bebre wo horoma ensi so yeba ne adosom ne awuram ne de ho komo kakra de abasisia abedwafo nyina ha me di maestro yemra sisia yemra
yes Again, bo no money pass who code didie.
Yes, scratch and win a growth for cry. Aba Ghana, a Ghana Gaming Commission. Ajiatun. Sa what truck card nanim na unya a din crash so there. Ayam yansa aye kropano. Eke say, "What win sika bubruja." Hey, some penny for kanya. Yamwa say, "A fini abaso any day." Why you know? A new game in Ghana, licensed by Ghana Gaming Commission. Yeah, na some den say, "Me the 2 Ghana cedi pa akwa 10,000 Ghana cedi." Ah, na me the 5 Ghana cedi back to 50,000. Sika be the shamataso. Over 800,000 smaller prizes to be won. Yeah, na some day okra say, "Debia, you can claim instantly 100 Ghana cedi." Make sure say, "Dina Hodge on your mobile money wallet." To become an agent, just call us 0302 909 644 0302 909 644.
Which you would say when you sponsor pa. Okay, what you say ban history pan suppose on you in total unimpa. Well, and share the sports quiz from Cobrawo. Live was some perfect near Doom TV. So, and the Acado for a sort of form. I'm going to supply them watching. And yes, I'm get well. HDP. A sports quiz was some perfect near Doom TV. So, coming soon. Very soon. Very soon. Very soon.
Se no me no bo na oman yi mu atadi adentia if se obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM jumedie kese a yato ne din ekosi sen
on Asempa FM. 94.7.
Ni amanyofo ebeka.
Na kufa do konya na dware na fata no. E fe ko keke na me hu ye. The same position same way ya.
Omo nimbe dia ye gilo ndi ya di pa Ghana.
Ye di o ma ya nka na mo go the STS ye di buy.
What's a free education? I do about in the bar. What's in the bar mo ne we so na e ban e to nyum e ho. Lalubai baby kafo mo ma mi ete.
Ni etememufo ebeka.
Misika nyina 30 cities. Me man 9. Esi amere no ma hwenkola no. Aban no to ano auto petrol.
Ni ensentwofo ahwehwem di atodwa. Ni nyina kokosi sei. Midiri osei bonsu. Ka me ho ne mapamfo. Na mmomfa ekosi sei emrel. E wa Asempa 94.7 FM so. Ejuada ekosi efiada. No mienu ekopim no nsia enefa. Ekosi sei e wa Asempa 94.7 FM so.
Asempa 94.7 FM. Ye dwumadie no ya sesem.
Ya wo oba foforo. Ya sitnemu.
Ye de ya sitnemu dwumadie a eye foforo kra ebro. Eye edwuada kopim efiada. Efi anopa no ndu ekopim pemtobre.
Na me maami akua gengema. Wo be hia me edwuoda ene ne bunada no. Edwuoda eye wa wade sam na de brewo. Awade akate asiso. Awade ade nhiraba. Awade ayesusu dua. Ama foforofo. Awade ade ani die. Nkumafo na atete wo. Ana wase na atete wo. Ni nyina edwoda no ye benyamu adusia. Na bunada ne die ye ko honhoma fa o. Ewiase a won bibi wo mu o.
Hey, ukwada bia siame ohima sachiwa akrofi. Esa ye ba wo mpatamu abehwe ahonidie. Ye bewura wujade. Wo bedroom, wo gata eni wo fichire nyina na ya hye sedie ya honidie tie. Na edu ya wadade a siame adwenhira amamrehima. Bra me no ebehwe wapomudin ho nsem na efiada metine dwam se judge ewo divorce court.
Kache wadanfo.
Ya sitinem efo ya.
Sister waitress, Mr. Present to whom me table when I'm in move be why.
Me pacho mini.
Good. One who negus now, woman cheese be a table when she had to say by the fireside or corner honor.
Me pacho ane.
Good. Now what about a guy now on able giving support joint honor?
Me huno.
Wonderful. Now a dear bitters necessity womanima one more sepina corner if lit trebians ano.
Me pacho a kakai 777 bitters for fronwa.
Hey, na bitters he bad a benya just sporting in our boss so a pieces will be a table so high.
Aya kingdom beverages and safufra woma ye and say yama engagements ne party ase outdoor ne a year sinina se kakai 777 bitters yipwe honum say ya and sunumo.
I see. Na se Kingdom Beverages Limited. The kakai 777 bitters aba. Ama man for watching a dog one. Na meti ha chi go slow. Ye fast na bremi bi.
At to phone fre 0244 805 415 and now 0244 803 899. At your phone sunum no mon kai say yenton emma won mo won dum fie dum woche enye emma apemfo ene emma won ma manufo.
Done so much for me. Oh my God! I don't want no 6.3 FM so I the bruta every Sunday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. I don't Bible quiz. 32 churches are competing. Why never did kind? Why never toss me? Why never toss me? This and every Sunday she be coming Island live on 106.3 FM. I don't Bible quiz. And why you dead? And why you shit? And why you every Sunday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. I tell them bring wine and in Savaka. Adom Bible quiz sponsors TBS roofing sheet, roof papa fee, Bible Society of Ghana, making God's word available and affordable. Fecos spray starch, look sharp. Erector Hotel, we set the true standard. Roma insecticide spray and Tonton Master, Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone papa fee, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Second Kings Real Estate, home for kings. Asempa from commentary. And with the hot rough. And with the Obasa. Ghana for UEFA Champions League na buko for na sports 11 pump journey Asempa 94.7 FM. When it's here, Yane DSTV, ni Go TV, akan tuma sieni. If you knockout stage, you go see the grand finale. Yet the commentary brought live. Inti nchiene tackle bia. Dangbe no go bia. Sawa sugu swani. Ehona ubetia sini ye. This is the home of the Champions League. Tamu chuku. Yet the commentary ni binsuma benwo. Potema meya shiambo. Yeti obo. UEFA Champions League coverage, DSTV, any Go TV can only a day bro, and a sling bets. And some from commentary, and with the hot rough.
Very well, we are back live on Asempa 94.7 and of course on Sports Night. Me did the maestro, but quickly, you run through some few of the messages Abanafi. Time na kanom. Yen fama abejofo show ni so. Asari Kojo Joseph was it? Hey, wow, Papa Maestro. I never get dull when hearing your voice. Cha Asempa Sports. No size. I am Jojo from Medina. And all the way by Opoku Kwabna MP Ratti watching you live from Italy. Okay, big ups, bro. And also Etimie Pima Yadema Ebusuafo nyina Lawrence Boadu Angelo Maestro, I've missed you. Please be with us here. Medasipa and also dia ode aba Nana Eje Kwabna say Maestro, why is this Master Bansi guy always want to find problem? Meaning baby a problem master enya ede aba. Okay, any dia don't say no better Papa. Good evening. I'm watching you live from Aboso Kan inside Fadako Motors. Keep on with the good work doing for Madagana. May I say, Maestro, I think your analyzer is comparing apples to oranges because for the past records of Koroko was money issues, so they were not playing seriously for anything. But this time they have everything they want to. So please, if you are judging their performance based on past records, you may be misleading, Mr. Bansi. But you are giving your opinion anyway. Okay, also opinion and also what about Nkrumah Richard, Maestro. I think you are putting words in CK's mouth. Okay, he didn't say without any new players he cannot play or perform well. Okay, but and the question na me bisa and if no HMO Nkrumah Richard, Maestro, you should have asked this man his stance when Koroko stood up and said they are going to CAF Confederation and what is his thought now. And again, see the normalization committee since they came into existence, posterity will judge us all. Nediana Ebu Horma Manchede Hunie, Fachame Gaddafi at Tebubu. One day was say, good evening to you all. I am watching you live from Italy, Reggio, Nal, Emilia, more fire. I know the about way a constitution. We are more say, what the Koroko is the best team in Ghana as well as in Africa. They are also Eddie Abba. Me bacho bet me as send with and so Eddie Abba. Was I'm not disputing Mr. Usubempa today. Most of the players are learned and now the benefit of the Africa. I personally think his contribution are of old age. He should give us a break. Maestro, ask him about the normalization committee. That's very important. Mystic Prosper was say wait for Koroko to win the CAF Confederation Cup before you even say that Koroko is the best. Only qualifying to the group stage does not make a team the best. Also, Agent Chena or the but Mr. Audu Saka, remember his days in Samoa, my hometown. He was playing for Samoa Frontiers. God bless you, Audu, and God bless Boatin too from Barcelona, Spain. And about Prophet Collins Amwa was say, Audu, you are right. Ghanaians talk like BBBB. Okay, and Nkrumah Richard say Perry own disco dancer analogy, then we should forgive Nyantechi or pardon him. Okay, messages you know does pa na also between Eddie about back studio hanafe master me sha chef you man komo bibria ye die no na minim se Kevin den why no to say Santo Fiano ma unza anoma bi na ne takra ne makomako enan no obedru kwam no osi honom ofana wafamusuo ugya no so asrade nie me an kamefa asrade odi na befa Mujara Manako. Oza. Mujara. Yeah, because you do about class. I didn't go to go there. Ah, okay. Sadena allow the about wa enjoy no. Ebeda ni area man. I do. I said in the net you say we fan of this was Sade. But fan now do the net e be ma yare. Entienya Kevin. No be me yare. Yeah, because me I think the Kevin depend on now is Kevin as a player. But all the normalization the extension now. FIFA grant you no. Da ben no mutual chat and ko e dey no more extension. And the roadmap CAF request here no. 170. Yeah, it's my between me and Kevin as a player no. Why already say we Ghana Bobo. Which it is only Kevin who can answer that question. No, but so I can say what call signing a bigger deal. No, I can say who a man as a player and then the motherland Ghana. I think it speaks a lot. Yeah, because at the end of it, Kevin obeyed the first Ghanaian player, Team Barcelona. Now, if you look at the age now, Barcelona now, it will be a man for office. I don't want to be a Kevin Barcelona. I think he's a quality player, and Kevin deserves to play for Barcelona on any day because
He played your Boma Barcelona even recent days here. Second alone. Andre Gomez was signed by Barcelona more than 30 million euros. And is he better than Kevin? No. The only issue is the age in the time of Barcelona. Because Barcelona as a team for the last 14 years. This is the first time I met 2 players. I sign 2 players into a team over 30 years. That are Arturo Vidal, then Kevin.
Vidal and Kevin were create. I think they far better than.
Fantastic. Aside of age, no more energy in the ball. Maso, so Kevin tournament they call Blaster Powers. Brazil 2014 World Cup, the 2010 World Cup. Kevin in between that 2010 to 2014 about AFCON Akorai. I remember a game against Sudan. Kevin the boss I might be in one castle play with him. I like Kevin as a player. He's a quality player.
And no castle play
with him. And after that match, there was speculations that Kevin and the can say the pitch of Africa no get demon. And then acquiring to that. We should understand that we FIBA.
Foreign based players in now.
They've been complaining.
You go keep pay. I'm lasting.
Yeah.
Jeffrey Schlo. Women in our bar. Imagine
going to the bit Cameroon. Cameroon is one nation. They have bad pitches. Back in the late 90s, Blasters in Cameroon could match go. I couldn't show one of the shots I've been won by 3 goals to 1. And that game, we should win the pitch a boss ball now. It was very terrible, very bad. My question is the second meaning and I just saw Blasters. So this 3 big was solidarity, commitment, and loyalty.
No, but so be extended a call up man, no one refuse here. When you see a co-Egypt, also more tough no any bad, sir. If you say, could be my performance.
Condition and everything is perfect. But Kevin as a player, I did remember, oh, yeah, yeah, now, Osha, one hour more minor. So Kevin retired from international football. But so this is a bad answer or a big deal because I doubt it's slow.
No, but
because the zeal as a money and the number now set him nearly be a Kevin Debo. Living in Germany, so that's why I'm AFCON. It is nothing to them.
But as a player, I mean, few times they say you fought too much because you call World Cup. No problem with leadership. That is why I'm no problem with the Presidential Commission of Inquiry. About your finance, I'm here. Say Sule about Moses Pakasun. Kevin Prince Boateng so you use the F word and I say wa kasabasa the head coach Yekosi Apia now obey a commission of inquiry now kase me bisa psychologist of the team Professor Menta say no went me and stop Kevin Sule from that act no psychologist fantastic anything of recommendation by no almost going forward no say constitute any management committee there should be a psychologist inside and it's a woman make observation recommendation now say one wasting Ghanaian's time.
Yeah, I think
it's wasting Ghanaian's time.
I think it's not really about psychologists or about into the management team. The technical team will be our psychologist not in that time no said man and then necessarily say the Blasters team management team psychologist make if the command say be a plus a doctor should be part of the command say be so because there's every sector be saying you know it's about a leader better players now leader better management team leader better team so be say akosia play man mas offer Kevin Bedima is the same person who should effort man will be him. And it's a question also willing to welcome him back.
Leadership.
Yeah.
Leadership.
And I want to how to manage the play off the pitch.
Yeah,
and one thing I'm going to say, me tournament be big players be seen to commitment performing. Brazil, Copa America be okoje yenchebia. There was no one there was no kaka they won it. France conference and trade with that Genera El Cantona they won it. So the not be any biasa to say Kevin person bomb. Na ko say person now. That is the only way we can make case for it. Na ko say ampa. Normalization committee.
Grant extension. We any report here the confirmation from the spokesperson of the committee, but no on the line. A man in confirm and also in deny. But these are grapevine information, yet to me are fetching from it. So FIFA grant normalization extension. Let's open the shop.
The underlying word is grant. Let's open the control meaning. The FIFA is so meaning. Normalization, I was using this word constantly for the past 2-3 months. I think they're enjoying the tune.
Now, but woman putting committees together, one for election committee.
one for status committee so these two things were the key core mandate at the moment. The day-to-day activities of the FA. Amendment of the FA rules. Now, for set up a committee for election. So, I mean, saying one another under 24 the day of delegation, FA wasn't part. Into the day-to-day activities now, the clubs have been coming out or more expert on gifts, and nobody even transfer and then nobody BHS. Day-to-day activities, no crowd or Muteki, how would you do 60-70%?
And no granted, Dr. Kofiamo Timikase, because you have your craft on banana, yeah, or that vision, say the craft on banana Celano. And they are enjoying the throne, and they want to go and test AFCON. Michael, also normalization every team no air Kenya. Players could drew Kenya airport. Omo luggages now, Umu Yakono. I was saying normalization. It treats Kamono. Dr. Kofiamo, any sports minister, Omo Empia, Kwesiapia, any players that Jessica, and only three Omu backs in the coin. The era of Kosinian Techi and administration, Yantida, the place Nitria, Omu baggages, Abu drew airport. Any baby I could read FIFA grants them extension. Per the reporter, Eba, any other issues I discuss.
I'm discussing Kevin in Kaka.
Your time is on.
Okay, so into this week, you have two huge stories. One about Kevin, another story is about Emiliano Sala. These two players in Namu strikers are about 30 years. Baku Basa, Nabagu transfer Cardiff. Baku could do baby I go transfer no Baku no Uriah. You're trying to go up to now. Police search and as research on my no client information and the
player say Majid Waris is soon training grounds. I'm not getting any Casabat. I'm free now, free train number until they be booking for another time because then the colleague time I will be video move fair and I said when you move in Capra also casting big share. I don't know what kind of player was so not Majid Waris or this Emiliano Salan yes yes Obo under Claudio area na say for me na o share Kevin say no Kevin striker bia like I say journeyman wa teams be free Portsmouth call Borussia Dortmund on loan to Genoa loan in call Milan so many teams so under so many different coaches free Harry Redknapp call the na o share Kevin so player the controversies be attaching the majority ones woman say the Michael Ballack in 2010 who's Oprano Chelsea in Portsmouth Oprano Michael Ballack on to make the German squad for the 2010 World Cup. Another controversy the see what 2014 World Cup another controversy about Shaka yes suspended for indiscipline. Now we Kevin Basa for no on signing say obey first team player and I say obey improve team no it's mainly for a backup role. We say Basa Omatom two backup strikers Paco Akase to Dortmund and Mune Adadi. Now Usha Kevin here yes now Usha Kevin here the mover or the call Basa was from a coach called QK Sentien and who be here see a friend of Black Star CPM.
I think he lies on the coach. The coach yes no I think it's on the coach. The coach they say already
one casa open you find say na pam ko sia pia Michael Okan when you your coach when was called the call AFCON yes my friend yes me say Michael dia kaka on so edeba no ebusiafo
yes
next week and I have why see us na edijmedi nyina ba me ba che ntwa beto ate na yenware ne atena fia che aware ho ye den sika ho ye dene na gift tie say we debate pa beka bia na sum be yemre se wa ni beta e be den enti anope na se nwumre me show kutu pase yemfia ho nyi bet num ye den a Kevin Kui Basa be she uri etwa betimi abo apa but who play pick 5 or select 5 match results na wanya greater odds 10,000 Ghana cedi ubedi so na pick 15 no who select 15 matches results 1.6 million AJ and enka udi bi be ye nyoma pa na Colossus ne de sika twitwiri die pa ena e ba botom ni nyina no e bet way enti no ano se de bia me catch us inside nya adwuma ni di fa mobile phone no now they found say me aso kama wo yi adwuma na onye sika okwa asore watimi ayi bi e de aboa pa www.betway.com.gh no register and tenten on sa ebetimi aka omboy see bompa ni enso nkoi bompa ni enso
Ana je boy 11:30 na de ye titim pa bo be san ba fidi we aso 11:30 pepe o sebe kame e wo fidi aso me de so agina ba bia me gina se Asante Kotoko mo bi enyi o mo firi mu na Kotoko tima ono owodi wa bibi ma mu ti wa sori se no
bibi abe fine
am
so ye call pap 60 no
na no ko da
every how na brebe ba kwa me di jwe di nyina si
ja Macaulay Grandson.
Matthias.
Very nice.
Matthias.
I have from Kosovo.
Very rooftop.
Rooftop. I have from Kosovo.
Yes, I'm from China. Can coach Elvis Hagan, Bellefield University Cluster of Excellence, Cognitive Interactive Technology. Nancy Wakoje Special Dissertation Award on Psychology and Intelligent Systems. Now Canadian Air Train Commander Yensen to me and Kasasuna Majid Waris and also the intimate to at the right time now on the same platform. Asempa 947. Yeah, the bro. And yes, sorry, so. Midi the maestro Yakobia.